Placing the door seal on the Amana dryer. And the part just came in from Amazon, but this will be removing. And all you want to do is loosen this one. You take the screw all the way out, loosen this one, take this out. And if you can see, you just bring it up, lift it up, and it come out. This bolt will stay in. If you can see, this bolt has to come out. It don't have a slot like this one. Just lift up off of it. Usually I'll probably start about right here. You can see it in. So I just got glue on it. Just go all the way around it. And I usually have some glue. Just go in the corner of it. Set it back on. Set it back just like how you had it. And you might want to use some tape just to, because it need to sit on there at least a couple hours. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape on it to make sure it's on there. Because I'm gonna go ahead and put this dough back on it. And when I know a couple hours, I'll just take the tape off just to make sure that glue. Because when I stand it up, I don't want it to kind of like get out of position. So yeah, I'm gonna place the door back on the dryer. Like I say, make it easier. You just want to set that back in the groove like that. I don't know if you saw that. Just like that. Then you tie your screw, put your other screws in, tighten them up. And that's it. Like I say, I wait till it get really, really hard. And I take the tape off. But yeah, placing the door seal on the Amana dryer.